Well, we're out here at Mingo Wildlife Refuge. This is like over by Puxico, Missouri. It's a pretty good size refuge. And we decided to go fishing today. We haven't been fishing, well, I haven't been fishing in a long time. So it's been a hot minute since I fished, but we're out here. We got the Jeep out here, and we brought the family, so the whole family is out. We are just basically hanging out today, having a good time. No overnight staying. You can't camp here. You can't camp out here at the refuge, which is pretty normal for most of these, but maybe there's some that I don't know of. But anyways, you can't camp out here, so we're not camping. But we got the tent set up. My baby and my daughter are here. My wife are here. We have the tent set up. They're setting up in there right now, eating lunch, finishing up lunch. I just finished up lunch. And yeah, we're out here. I mean, if you can see all this, it's beautiful. Yeah, so a lot of good time. You can't fly out here, which is pretty normal. I mean, that's normal. I think that's the law. You can't fly out at any of these places. So no drone footage, but maybe a month ago, there was a fire that happened in Puxico, and so we may get some drone footage of that fire. That'll be about it. Probably won't be much out here, but we'll get some footage of us on the ground. Just came out. This is one of the spots. There are tons of these little spots out here that you can just pull over. You can fish. You know, I guess hang out, have a picnic. I don't think there are any that have like grills at them, but if I do find one, I'll let you know. But this is the auto tour section of it. They do have a bunch of hiking trails. Probably have more hiking trails than they do the auto trail. The auto trail is pretty cool. It's open, a lot of fishing down here, a lot of ditches down here that you can fish out of. That's what we're gonna be doing. So we'll see you in a little while. Oh. Alrighty, we're gonna get ready to leave. We're gonna pack up. Yep, looks like Emily got tangled up again. Anyways, we're gonna get packed up. Everybody's gonna get their stuff together. We're gonna go to a different spot. We'll see you when we see you. Say bye, Jackson. Bye, Jackson. Go ahead. That was cool.
Where's my fishing pole?
So we were gonna go up here, weren't we, Em? But
it's closed.
It's closed till further notice. I really kind of want to know why. It doesn't look like it's damaged. We did have a pretty big tornado come through here, didn't we, Em? Couple.
It tore off the side.
Yeah, about a week ago. But I mean, honestly, it doesn't look like it's messed up at all. I don't know. What do you think, Em?
Guess it's because this bridge is really old.
I don't know. This is a cool look out here. And when it's not closed, it takes you up pretty far so you can see all of that out there. But anyways, I guess we'll get to moving.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Let's turn.
Those are cranes, by the way, and not seagulls. Look at these turtles, man. See them? I'm gonna roll your window down. Watch your fingers.
What the?
See them?
Yeah.
Oh, a bunch of them left.
Yeah, they all. You're a big turtle.
Hey, Dada, can we turn?
Maybe. Do it again. I'm gonna try and cast again. Oh, good cast, Em. That's a good one. Oh, you try further? Okay. Well, here's the next spot we're at. It's very quiet over here, though. We had a couple people, we had one person stop by and ask us if anything was biting or anything like that, but yeah, ain't nothing really going on. I'm more of like the fishing for the fun of it, not really fishing for like, I guess, catch a bunch of fish. Some people, like it, and that's fine. But for me, like, I enjoy the snacks and just hanging out. So that's the real fisherman right there. Always an end. Always a good ending to every video, right? A good Jeep wash, right, Em? Had a good time, got some drone footage. We're gonna finish cleaning the Jeep because it is really dirty. And then we're out. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we like shooting it. Until next time, see you later.